So now removing values from a list. There are two ways to do it. There are multiple ways to do a lot of things in Python. There are two ways to remove a value from a list, and they do slightly different things. The preferred way is to use the list method, right? We know it's a method because we've got to use a list as the context. So arrfruit.pop, and then we give it an index. And what pop does is it says, I'm going to take that item that's in that index, and I'm going to take it off the list. And then I'm going to send it back to that variable. I'm going to return it, and so we'll catch it in here. The nice thing about that is that I can then use that item. For example, okay, if I say str removed equals lifruit dot pop, and then I say I want to remove index 1 from that, what happens is orange is going to be taken from that list. It'll be taken off, and it'll be put into the variable that says str removed. So now I could say print, and if I use an f string, right, I can say str removed was removed. And then if I print the list after that, lifruit. So those three lines, if I run them, so you can see it says orange was removed, and I've got apple and banana remaining. So that's pop. If I don't give it an index, if I just say pop, and I run that, what happens when I don't give it a number for an index? Which item does it remove? Well, look what it says. When I ran it, it says which was removed? Banana. See, it says banana was removed right here. Banana was removed. So it takes, if I don't specify an index, pop will take the last thing on that list and remove it. Okay, so pop. And if I wanted to take the first thing off that list, which is apple, I would put a 0 in there. Then apple would be removed. Okay, so if I leave it empty, it removes the last thing, whatever number that is. Now, the other way to take something off of an array is this. Now, if I use this, it deletes that slot and whatever's in it. So if I give it index 1, it will delete that slot and whatever's in it. It will not return anything, so you can't really do anything with it. The other problem is that if I happen to forget the index and I just say delete arrfruit, it deletes the whole thing. So you might lose all your data if you're not careful with delete. The worst case, if I'm using pop and I forget to provide the index, is that it just kills the last thing on my list, but it still returns it. So there's a chance that maybe I could recover that data. Delete is a little bit more risky. It's a little simpler, but it's also a little bit more risky if you forget something.